Shaitwanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Mehreen Qasim from PMEI school system. Today we are going to discuss topic relative and indefinite pronoun, Unit 2, Lecture 5, Grammar. What is relative pronoun? A relative pronoun is a type of pronoun that often introduces dependent or relative clauses in sentences. It is used to connect a clause or phrase. There is a specific list of relative pronouns. And here they are: who, whoever, whom, whomever, that, which, when, where, and whose. A word used to refer to its antecedent in adjective clause is called relative pronoun. Okay, I'm giving you an example, right? I know a teacher. The teacher is from America. But if I am going to combine these two sentences, so it would be I know a teacher who is from America. What is who here? किसी शख्स किसी इंसान की तरफ इशारा हो रहा है. So this who is called a relative pronoun, and it's also called a connector because it joins the main clause with dependent clause. What is main clause? Main clause क्या है इसमें? I know a teacher, एक teacher को मैं जानती हूँ. Who is from America, जो कि अमेरिका से तो from who to America. This clause is giving us an incomplete sense. So that's the reason I know a teacher who is from America. We can say that it joins, which joins, this who joins the main with the dependent clause. नहीं, गलत हो गया.